This 2026 Jayco Jay Flight Bungalow 401 LOFTDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Concord, North Carolina, 28027 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Charlotte. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco and features Sleep 7 Slideout. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front living area, kitchen island, loft, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.